Man called Cutty reps something sexy state right now.
Yeah, man, big up, yeah. Yeah, big up all my people in there. I said the condolence to all like Leroy Gibbons family. You know, all like supporters that big up themselves, you know, guys. You know, so I my only reason why I died, you know. You understand? Just big up those anywhere there, you understand me? Yeah, man, I'm big up all of the bridges they were there, like, party, guys. I hold it for bridges, me having that. You can't name out all of them, not enough. Right, Peter, Richard, Toulouse, yeah, man. And this is one boy, we are telling you now. Long time, though. I hear people that talk about where them and Leroy Gibbons come from. And all them things, remember me tell you this. Yeah, Leroy Gibbons them start go from Arrows International days. You understand? And, you know, Metro Media, yeah, Steromar. A long time, you know, we have a game. And I deal with the thing in more than 6 million weeks. Yeah, you have a rhythm up. Original bad boy style. Original road boy style. Original bad boy style. Whatever everyone is, look at deal, another boy get a chill. Look at deal, get so that's fine them will. Look at deal, get up, buy some bill. Look at deal, side on the wheel, they want tie. They come and they funeral and I know say, they know say. Leroy Gibbons was a general, they want tie. Oh, they come and they funeral and I know say, they know say. Leroy Gibbons was a general. If you live by the boy, I'm going to take some sense for the youngster. Take out them some give me live by the boy, I'm going to take some sense for the youngster. Take out them some when they see me, man a gun. See me, say me trust can't done. See me, man a gun. See me, whatever. DJ, they throw me and that. Some of them are worried, some of them are friend. Some of them are friend, me and this papa. Every DJ better talk to me papa. Listen for the rocket from the like a phone center. Ram dance all every good mix to corner. Everybody know for the rams in a warrior. No DJ can break down this a barrier. Listen for the rocket from the like a phone center. Anywhere we go a straight roots and culture. Follow me no masses and from your ear put the ranking a boom. From your ear put the ranking a boom, 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 boom. Pull up the general. Pull up the general. Pull up the general. Cut down. Go on the general. Run it, cut down. Let me tell you something. You know something can't come here. In spite of all what go on and them say what them say. This is the first song we're supposed to be in the music business. And the people that know the song. And we have to get ahead. Then what the figure, there is 6 million ways to die. Choose one. You don't know what the figure is, sir. And read him again. See him read it. You know what I said? Now I am. I feel like what the hardcore you would never like place. Here. Kill out all the enemies. Leave with all of the friends. Kill out all the enemies. Leave with all of the friends. Put me a bus like the mama. Have a new thing where they call it the mama. If you a boy ship and they blow up the tanker road by police. Control by soldier. From behind the wall they kill all their worker. What about the 16 and the bushmaster? Yeah, the journey. Sherman Loga. Listen got the rocket on me bad as a warrior. Follow me no masses and crew. From your ear got the ranking a boom. From your ear got the ranking a boom, 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 boom. From your ear got the ranking a boom. Let me tell you from your ear. We hit the man. Who the come? We hit the man. Who the hit me done? We hit the man. Who the come? We hit the man. Who the take me? Before we turn up, when DJ one goes into me, go me turn up. Take it, fi back up and run me a stand up. DJ one goes into me, go me stand up. Me no come fi make fun now, but you want to come off of the ride. Me am too sick and can't decide. Admiral, come off and the leg before me use the bomber and box it in your death. Here's a grinds man, he must have me a electric chair, we are going to shot him to death. Listen what you know why it's not dead. Anyway, they born none of them and none of them. Jesus for the mind, but I know the art of war. Women are patrolling take smart at war. Set up and push me in the heart of war. Not to make them and they put the start of war. No when they witness they don't part at war. I thought they don't go do what they ask at war. This is what they want to be the part at war. I think they let what up that?
Well, it is bad who don't say bad. Who don't say bad? Lord God, hey, Cutty. Listen, bad artists are bad artists. Come here, Cutty ranking. Come here, Cutty ranking, them people that love you on your platform. Bad artists.
Well, Peter Abijah. Now I try to drive you out to love people. People, you want more? You want me to spit another one? Alright, come. I want you to name legend. See you ready. Original bad boy come, original road boy come, original bad boy come. I am the legend, come and be a legend, should I know the legendary purple heart and every skill me have like in the village, everyone that want to sanction. Mark your territory when you start. This is a war now, but temporaries and fight black grapes, you put it to war freedom. Like I can think that we only need titanium. 2 tons of light chocolate, you will put one of your house man. Let's all one big like stadium, last word silence, like a benzene, chewing up to the body of the I got 9 no fear, no make them don't comprehend. Why don't give them a shoulder, I am the blast of the past. You see the big thing, me like it, now me grab a papa, yes, I'm with a logic, with good metal, jockey, take that thing, take up my pocket, we make them take off like a rocket, them like head blow out and it's pocket, live in a glass house, they should have fixed to it, they should have started that.
Why? People to give me a next man. If it's bad, who don't say bad. Cutty. Yo, Cutty, beg you one more. Yeah, beg you one more. Give me the 99 really. Beg you one.
Hunter, one more, please. One more. From Mr. Leroy Gibbons. One more.
Just pick up yourself, you know. You see this man I'm in Toulouse. If you ever know a hush part, we start that. For the human promotion days. With sugar mine and them. Come on, man. A long time we not this game. Here, I pick up all of the original people in that. Don't mind me. Because I mean no harm. You understand? But it's just that I have to push them lyrics up to make the people understand where they me. And the people that build me never always have love for them. Here, straight. In more than 6 billion ways. Here. There are so many lyrics right now, whole lot of different lyrics there what we can talk about. Then I will speak certain lyrics just so they can't be never come plan out the rhythm themselves. Show up. You have to just give the people in. After matter of fact, you have to give the woman them to them. Welcome all the pretty girl. Give me all of them. Welcome all the pretty girl. Give me all of them. Retreat. Only girl surrender, retreat. Pretty girl come and take over. Yes, retreat. Only girl surrender, retreat. Pretty girl come and take over. Pretty girl and that them are #1. In a Jamaica be a champion. Girl, jump around cause you full of fashion now. Body up you know fever, you know young girl. Jump around you know red to young girl. Body out and no selection. No one no double up, they no face him a dance here. No money monkey here, no big fancy. All of the girl like the stay back away. And the Jamaican girl never celebrate. Welcome all the pretty girl. Give me all of them. Welcome all the pretty girl. Give me all of them. Watch out. DJ line up and push out to the head. And tonight, somebody ever put a book from downtown and over and go say, me lyrics them sharp because off in the head. He drives back a Benz, driving everywhere. But out him tired till they wear and tear. Mash up in clutch and leave out in gear. When you run out the gas, leave that anywhere.
Pull up. Oh, Cutty. Yeah, you notice I'm cutting up John and the gun through them. You can't respect the platform. You see me, I say, pick up yourself, Cutty ranking, you're born for DJ. See, bad artists, the one away from the 80s until now. And we're there and survive. See, what the parties there. So
God is forever standing by right now. Hold on. So, don't you worry and don't cry. Baby, oh, it's a rubber dub. Lay up. Yes, sir. But you all need to big up yourselves. You don't know. Come along now and keep my soul. Too much in farmers, too much in pay. Hey! Let me know I'm telling you, man. Let me hear you say, oh. I say, oh. Too much in farmers, too much in bearers. Wolves and leopards are trying to kill the sheep and the shepherds. Wolves and leopards are trying to kill the sheep and the shepherds. Yeah. Not watching people. Too much is Japanese. Too much lamba. Too much so. Time to separate the sheep from the wolf. We run the crossroad, and this is the time of decision. Yeah. There's too much informers, too much bearers, too much backbiters. Yeah. Oh, no, go on, gentlemen. Hold on. I say, well, hold right now. I wish I were born through it. And I represent Leroy. Fighting your brothers every day. Really doesn't get easy. It's yeah. Hold on right now. No. Me say me down spread pop on gun upon the train. Me say me hey. Yeah. Oh, right now. Oh, well, God has made. I don't wanna be left so strong. Zion. That I don't wanna be shut out of Zion, yeah. I don't wanna be left out of Zion, yeah. I need Lord of my church to live in the Lord and deep. Wanna wait to see the one that down. You got Lord, can you? Lord of mercy, fill my heart with love. Because my Creator, Lord, can you divine satisfaction? Fill my heart with love. Don't attract, don't the party love. And I am headed down with me, the down spread for both young upon the dread. Me say me stop me spread the both young upon it. Because the dread no up no and I am headed, but he know I'm the party lady and I am headed. Me say me go to the east, then my set off. But I go to the north, then my set off. Me go to the south, then my set off. They both are from the day my but till you bound the sound of man together, round the don't you mean the put down the now, but till you, till you down in that bread. Dance it well. Oh yes, it's been happening, and we don't want no more. Oh yes, it's been happening, over the over. Try man. Hey!
John Nooks, man, who say bye? Who will give me a love? This is Robert on Thursday. People, what goes around comes up. All right, John. Okay.
Yeah. Oh yeah, right now, Lord. Tribal war. Oh, but say we don't go right now. Oh, Lord. Tribal war. Yeah. Say that I know that we are defended. Hey. I give your praises in the morning, yeah. So when I hear the people them say, yeah, yeah, then I'll see themselves in the unity, celebrating with a better calling now that the war is over, boy. Some of them got sitting up and a naked cup. One by one, them taking in the shop, saying that the war is over. No more war. Woman, no war around there, rubber up time that. See we know. See you round the sound and dance together round the don't you mean the corner down the moon down. Say that the song don't take your voice to tone because the war is over. But I see you round the sound and down the war is over, you know. Yeah. Them said be the man and walking down the blue moves along the hand on the dogs down the single way of the yeah, hear me? Blessed love, yeah.
Robert Dub, put it up, Oliver. What a platform, nice. This is Dancehall Thursday. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to put your hands together. Welcome the one and only Mr. George Nooks to come here tonight. Clap him, man. Oh, you mean? Our platform, a big people platform. We don't play murder music. So Sister Talia, out to Ira FM. Big up yourself. Take it away, sister.
Boy, the line of love of hit songs is extensive. What you say for George Nooks once more? If we had time, we'd bring it forward, but guess what? We've done more for you. There are a plethora of stars in the house, and I'm about to introduce another. Are you ready? All right, ladies and gentlemen. He's a son of reggae music. He grew up as a student of this music. His father was a part of reggae music. His father toured with the legends, and so he made it his business to become one himself in his own way. His hit song is celebrating 25 years of existence this year. He came through with "Whoa, this will be a revelation" back in 2000. It is now 2025. It makes it 25 years since that hit touched the world, shattered charts across 7 continents, and created, say what? Created a storm globally. Now he's here tonight to share this energy with you. Have to introduce our mother, a father, a farmer, a student of reggae music, and a teacher. Welcome to center stage, Abijah. Abijah.
Holy man here, Selassie, Jack, Rastafari. Are you feeling out there? Enough respect to the family of the great, late Leroy Gibbons. Condolences. Jack, Rastafari, Selassie the first. Run it! Big up yourself, Peter. If you love Leroy Gibbons, put your hand here like this. Love Leroy. Hear the words of the Rastaman. I hear you. Oh, I hear the words of the Rastaman. Sing with me, remember this. Oh, this will be. How you feeling? So Leroy, live on, man, run it. Think about that big of a step. Oh, now, yeah. I say, hear the words of the Rastaman. What? Babylon. Sing with me. Oh, this will be a revelation. Oh, this will be. Sing. Oh, this will be a revelation. I said, oh, this will be dimension. Funny, talk about the problem, brother. Don't give me up. Talk about the system, sister. Don't give me so scared. Never try to hurt you. I never tell lies on you. They open to take it down. They open to mash it down. Yahweh, the glorious ground. Separate the darkness from the light. He who created all things. He will end it. The sun is going to let us know. This will be sick. Oh, this will be. Oh, that children. It's gonna be. I want you to listen to the second verse. And tell me what that and this is what I'm going to your word. Because that is not the problem. It is the heart and mind of men. Money is not the problem. It is a greed and selfishness. Whoa, spiritual war. Whoa, it's a mental war. Lord, come down and help us now. Our people have gone astray. Whoa, they have been misled. Whoa, they have been blindfolded. Whoa, the sheep have gone away. Not knowing the hour, nor do they are saved. This will Maroon. This gonna be now. Oh, this gonna be. Color is not the problem. It is the heart and mind of men. Money is not the problem. Greed and selfishness. Whoa, spiritual war. Whoa, it's a mental. Lord, come down and help them now. The people have gone astray. Oh, they have been misled. Oh, they have been blindfolded. Oh, the sheep have gone away. Not knowing the hour, nor the day. So last year is this number. Watch it now. Sachunia. I see them every day. My people. What up? I don't know what I'm telling people. If I take set pan picnic, I rape and I kill them, all kind of something. We don't love that. And it's not just another sector there, you know. You're driving on the traffic, you see it. Nobody not got patience. They not got tolerance. But come on here, man, I say, no park your car out there, sir. No, man, that should not go on. Because it's a one love movement, Mr. Peter Metro, only famous, and the island man he will write us up. Don't know if they're going like that. As black people who come together, because we're not mad people. You have some mad people in a clean clothes. Neutral. Run this. The things that they are doing are so wrong. Only God knows, madman in a clean. And I may tell, we have been like this then. Happy young man, people in a again. Things that they are doing are so wrong. Madman. Bumps it up. Well, if the things that you set up for all the certain ones. Some in a necktie and they so them belong. Money mama they earn, she still can go a shop. They only the bigger heads them off, they put on them pot. Environment no see if they use them no more. The violence spread out and them can't find the cure. Happy promises and false prophecies. It's no help to the youth them in the building. Courage and me, man people in that big house. That's right. Give me the order now. Are you feeling? Yeah, we give thanks. Only famous, give thanks. Celestia, you know? That's the fire, Peter Mitchell. Run. I give you one more move. Because I want to live all the way in the mountain. Bloom up my live. We deal with coffee, we're a farmer. I try on the Livingston. Yeah. I give you one more, you know? So, wait there, alright. Say it.
Black Benz, they hear me 9843 LP. You window them down. I'm not Benz this, I'm BMW.
BMW, start it out quick and fast. Run that now. Sing it people over there. I'll give you a little bit of this. Oh, now. Yeah. Oh, they tell me there's a fire in the sky. Hey, waiting for me when I die. How are you? But between the day you're born and the when you die, hey, there never seems to hear you when you're crying. Hey, but this I've got. But I can't sing, man. When the holiday comes, the holiday falls, the one and down, day, easy round you. When the holiday comes, God on, and the good God born and on. Yeah, think of it. The oppressors trying to keep I down, making me feel like a clown boy. They think they got I on the run. Whoa, forgive them, brother. They don't know what they've done. But as soon as the sun will shine, I'm gonna get my shit out. Oh, God. Well, God knows, I don't know, God. I love you, know. Celestia, Jah, Rastafari. Hey. Are you ready?
Yes, my people of Abijah. If you bother to give me a bar. Enough respect by the artist. See, watch a militant sound coming in and we have a sound clash. Quick and fast. See, you have more artists. Hey, no man don't come up here about that beg a DJ, you know. We don't want a man come up here and learn for DJ. Look there. Someone can